What's happening, kinfolk? Today is day three. We just left our hotel. We're having some coffee here at the little convenience store. We are headed to Pine, Colorado to go see John at Freedom Shields. So that's what's in store for today, along with going to Red Rock Amphitheater and then also hitting up Black Hawk Mountain. There's a casino out there and we're actually gonna stay out there, stay the night at the casino. So that's gonna be pretty dope. Hopefully we should be there no later than 6 and we'll be able to actually relax a little bit. Bikes have been amazing, man. The only thing is they are freaking nasty. So let me show you here. Look at all that bug shit. Just the whole bikes, man. Like our windscreens. So that's the good thing about Freedom Shield. So it kept us protected, but it got tore up. So look, if you're in the market for a windshield, man, freedomshields.net, Knuckles TV will give you 10% off, man. So go check them out. You'll be able to see a little bit more, and we'll talk about a little bit more about Freedom Shields here after a little bit. So we'll see you in a little while. Let me drink this coffee and get going. Freedom Shields. Got to meet Mr. John, talk with him, Mr. Corey, Miss Debbie, everybody there. Just got to talk to them, hang out with them for a while, man. Ask a bunch of questions. So I have another separate video on that stuff. But listen, amazing people. Company's great again. If y'all already seen my videos on the Freedom Shields, if you haven't, go check it out. Link will be down below and up here. freedomshields.net, man. Use my discount code KNUCKLESTV, you'll get 10% off your order. Support great people, because that's what they are. Amazing people. So now we're headed from here and we're gonna go over to Red Rock's Amphitheater. So let's go check it out. See ya! We have made it to the Red Rocks Amphitheater. Joel just got here. Tell everybody what happened to your bike, why you needed to go to the dealership.
I decided to adjust the belt.
Yeah.
I end up pushing the rear wheel more to the left, right? Like right, it was crooked basically.
Yeah.
I had to take it to the dealership and they just take care of it.
Yeah.
It's good to go. Now I could kill some Harley Davidson.
Damn. But yeah, so he was worried about it, man. It wasn't messing anything up, but you know, he didn't want to continue to ride like that, so he took it to the dealership. They fixed it up for him real quick, and now we're here. Check it out. So I think they're having some kind of, they're having some kind of thing in there.
I think it works.
Is it?
Sounds like
Look at this. What do you think of this, babe? Dang. All right, we'll go up there here in a little bit and show you what that looks like. But they got a little store here and everything, so we'll go check it out and then show you what the actual theater looks like as well. Now we're inside what they call the trading post. A little gift shop, man. You got all kinds of stuff in here. Pretty dope. Well, kinfolk, unfortunately, we couldn't go to the actual theater because they're having a concert. So right now we're on this little walking trail, and check it out, right here by the Rocky Duckies. So cool, man. All right, let's keep going. We have made it to Black Hawk Mountain. We just checked into the hotel, so now let me show you what it looks like over here. Check it out. Hee-wee. So nice. So we're gonna go catch something to eat, probably catch a couple drinks, hang out, then that's it. So we leave tomorrow, head to Kansas, and then that'll be the day 4. Today's day 3, yeah? Yep. So that'll be day 4. Huh? So yeah. So we'll show you where we go eat. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, kinfolk, we made it to Red Dolly Casino. We decided to eat here tonight, so let's check it out. Chicken fried chicken right here. Fajitas from Maya. 8-ounce sirloin, fileti, and Gabriel. Oh, Big Papa, Big Papa got the 2-ounce.
2-ounce.
8. What is it? 20 ounce.
2 ounce. It's a misprint.
So he getting down on that one. So we're gonna eat dinner here, and then we're gonna head back to the hotel and finish out the night, man, and then get another early start tomorrow. So we're off to, where are we off to? Kansas. Off to Kansas tomorrow. So we'll see y'all then. Peace out, Girl Scouts.